Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a broadcast list in WhatsApp and message in broadcast list. First, open your WhatsApp Messenger and tap chat on the navigation bar. And tap broadcast list at the top of the chat screen. Tap new list at the bottom of the broadcast list screen. Tap on contents to select them as receipt of the message. You can send the broadcast message to a maximum of 256 contacts. Then tap create is the right top. Now you create a broadcast list with 8 recipients. How to send message in broadcast list, and back click broadcast list is the top left. Now this broadcast list, click and type your message and attach a photo and video, location or content if you wish, and tap send to your broadcast message. Contacts will only receive your broadcast message if they have added your phone number to their contacts. This is to prevent spam. If you add more contacts in your broadcast list on WhatsApp, then this video for you. In this video I will show you how to edit your broadcast list. First, open your WhatsApp Messenger and tap chat. Open your broadcast list, top left side. Tap the eye icon next to the list you want to edit. In the list info screen, you can, if you change the name of your broadcast list, then click top list name. Then click done. If you add more recipients for your list, by tap edit list and click contacts you want to add this list and click done. If you remove any contact in your broadcast list, then click edit list and cross is the top contacts. Click tap cross and click done. Now hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to delete your broadcast list in WhatsApp. First, launch WhatsApp from your smartphone. Tap chat on the navigation bar. Tap broadcast list at the top of the chat screen and swipe left on the broadcast list you want to delete and click delete. If alternative, and click edit. This icon is the list you want to delete. Click red icon. Now click delete. Now your broadcast list already empty. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.